Hi, I'm Hemal. I have a company called Oktobuzz. I run that along with my partner Neha. Uh, One of the concerns that we always had when we have worked in various ad agencies, various digital marketing agencies, is we work there for 10 to 12 hours. People come and work with us for such a long time. Maximum part of their day is spent at office. If they are not happy there, we won't be contributing to them, and we won't be happy too. I mean, why would you want to work in an organization where you go 12 hours a day and you're not happy? We were searching for answers when I got in touch with Zappos. I heard about Zappos, read about delivering happiness, read about it, but knew that values were important. But as a small startup of 24 people, we didn't know how important it was or how big an effect it can have for such a small company too. And when I came here, I understood the science behind it. I know how to do it. I know it's possible. I know how can we avoid mistakes which we could have otherwise. And I'll tell you the biggest thing. They are committed to us, and we are committed to our team, and hence we are here. Thank you so much.